Good morning. Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. It is Jennifer Woolsey, and we are going to do a very quick makeup tutorial this morning. So thanks for joining. What do you think about my new dress? I'm all about this tie-dye look. It's my jam. So what do you think? All right, let's hop in. It is a new day. Lots of new things gonna happen today, and we are gonna get ready. Get ready for a great day. All right, so here we go. Let's pull this hair back. Whew. So we have already gone in with the morning skincare regimen. You guys know I'm vitamin C and depuffing eye serum on these eyes. And then I have a new combo that I've been practicing with, and I have some friends. Let me tell you the importance of skincare. So we went on a little mini vacation for a few days, and I wasn't as diligent about doing my nighttime skincare as I normally am. And when we get back, I'm like, oh my gosh, where did these things come from? It's from not cleaning my face good and doing my skincare at night. So if you don't believe me, here's your proof. It does work. Okay, so let's hop in. So I've been, you guys, I've been using that Belif Aqua Bomb and the VDL Primer to do my prep for my makeup. But yesterday we launched this awesome new combo. It's the Aqua Bomb and the Glow Water Cream mixed together. So it's basically your Aqua Bomb and your VDL Primer together. Woo! Yay! I love saving money. So instead of having to buy these two products, which is your primer and your Belif Aqua Bomb, you can do the combo. The Aqua Bomb Glow Water Cream, and it does give your skin a little bit of a glow. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger, and let me show you. I'm just going to do one side. Let's just do one side and let you guys see the difference. So if you missed my opening monologue, I shared with you that I have a friend because I did not do my skincare like I should have on vacation. So that's what happens. Okay, so this side has the Aqua Bomb and the VDL. You can already see it beginning to fill in like pores and wrinkles and giving a little bit of added glow. That is a huge, huge difference. I don't know if y'all can see it as well on the camera, but we're gonna do the other side because we don't want to be off balance today. So it is a new day. New opportunities lie ahead. And so if you're like, Jennifer, I did not do all the things we talked about yesterday. I just couldn't get off the couch. I couldn't do it. It's okay. It's okay because it's a new day. So I used to tell myself that I could only start diets on Monday. Cashmere Complexion, we're going to use shade Matcha. That I could only start diets on Mondays. And why? I don't know. But I guess I just thought I had to do it at the first of the week. And I learned very quickly that, you know what? If Tuesdays is the day that you feel better about what's going on in your life, then start it on a Tuesday. Start it on a Friday. Who cares? Do what makes you feel better and it helps you to, take care of your health and your family and reaching your goals and dreams. So here is your wake-up call. Whatever it is that you have been putting off, do it today. Quit waiting. Quit waiting. Okay, so Cashmere Complexion in shade Buttercream. Buttercream, my dear. We're going to put it on our hand, and then we're going to... So yesterday, I didn't quite meet my goals that I had set out to meet. That's okay because life happens, right? But I did get at least 2 of my things on my list done, which was a huge accomplishment. And here's the thing. We all have families, we have kids, we have jobs, we have obligations that have to be met. And so even if you don't get everything on your list done, if you get a couple of things, then you're that much closer to your goal than you were before. It's kind of like cleaning your house, right? If you have this goal and you wake up and you're like, okay, I'm going to get my whole house clean. Good morning, sister. I'm going to get my whole house clean today and all my laundry done. Not all of us are as awesome as my sister. Y'all should see her carpet. It is freaking awesome. She has these lines in her carpet. You know, like the football field has lines. And if you walk through them, you mess up her lines. And I'm pretty sure after we leave her house, she goes back and fixes those lines. It's so cool. Anyway, so if you have this goal when you wake up in the morning and you're like, I'm going to have my whole house clean today, and maybe all you got was your laundry done, then hey, celebrate what you did get done. Maybe you didn't get the whole house done, but celebrate what you did. And it's kind of the same way when you're working on goals for your life. If you say, you know, I'm going to start a new business today, and maybe you get one training done versus all 50 of the trainings done. You still got something done, and you should celebrate those successes. I think we're so hard on ourselves and not giving ourselves any grace. And Crystal, it's the coolest thing ever. Magix dust. We're going to use some Magix dust after we add our tattoo station on our brows. But you know, I mean, maybe you skip a step. It's okay. If you did one thing towards your goal, guess what? You are that much closer to being finished than you were when you started that day. And so I think it's just important for us to, you know, to take a second and just look at what we did, even if it seems small, and celebrate it. I mean, hey, did you get out of bed this morning? Guess what? You're breathing. That's something to celebrate. There's some people that weren't as lucky as us today. They didn't get out of bed. It happens. So stop being so hard on yourself. I was visiting with a friend yesterday, and she was having some drama going on in her life, and she was just beating herself up for not catching on sooner that it was coming. And I was like, look, you know, I mean, stuff happens, and you cannot always know. I gotta fix this right here. You will not always know what's gonna happen. All you can do is handle what's handed to you and keep moving forward. If you live in a state of beating yourself up because you're not getting all your housework done, or you're not, you know, taking care of everything that you think your kids need to do, then you're gonna live in a constant state of panic. Celebrate what you do get done. Now we're going to go in with that Magix dust. Just a little bit of unicorn dust on her face, as my niece calls it. She says it's unicorn dust, Aunt Jennifer. I'm like, okay. So we're going to do a little unicorn dust. Feels so good. Okay, so what goals do you need to get accomplished today? Share it with us in the comment section. We want to help you make your list and help you to achieve those goals that you want to get done. Mono Pop, we're going to use the shade Corals. I love this palette. So well pigmented. It goes on beautifully. So I'm picking up these two colors, and we're going to cover the lid of the eye here. So on my list today is I have a couple of work things I need to get done. And I'm going to go through my boys' closets. And I do this every year before school starts. Not that I know if we're going to go back to school. Haven't made that decision yet. But anyway, we're going to go through and see what still fits, what's stained, what's torn. Do you guys do that with your kids? Good morning, Awanda. Love you too. Okay, we're going to pick up these two in a little bit of pink here and work that crease. So I go through, you know, before school starts, we see what we've outgrown. And my oldest is going to be 18 in September. It's crazy. My son is going to be 18 in September. But he pretty much has stayed the same. He's fluctuated a little bit in weight because of his health. But he's pretty much stayed consistently the same. I think we're just going to need to get rid of some stained stuff, and I'm going to balance this out because I went a little wild on that other eye. I get to talking and I get a little wild there. Okay, so we're going to add some peach on this bottom part, and we'll blend. Look at that. It's so pretty. So, you know, he'll probably have some stains and tears that we'll probably need to get rid of. But I just feel like even if we don't go back to school, I still need to go through their closet. I mean, my mom used to, she cracked me up. She used to go through every season, go through her closet and see, you know, what she's outgrown. It's kind of not really outgrowing the older we get, is it? And, you know, replace what needed to be replaced. SuperExtend liquid liner for these eyes. I'm kind of a firm believer in buy a few good pieces, like your staple pieces, and then kind of build around that. Instead of having, I just was looking the other day, I have like 60 shirts. I wear like 4. Why do I have all these shirts? Am I alone in this? Can I get some hearts? Okay. I can't talk in line at the same time. So do you guys go through your closets, your kids' closets, see what they've outgrown, see what you need to replace? Is this a common thing, or is this just something I was taught in my family? Ooh, we got a little lift on that one. Ooh, girl, let's see if we can do that here. We got a little lift on that. Yes, girl. Woo! I'm standing back a little bit today because for some reason on my replays, it's looking like I'm on the side of the screen. So I'm not sure what's going on. I'm gonna have to go in and work on that today and see what's going on. So I'll get a little bit closer and let you guys look at things, and I'm gonna step back because I don't want it to be sideways. Okay, Love mascara. So we're gonna love on these lashes. This is the waterproof, which is awesome. Oh, I have something so special. Starting tomorrow, I don't do this very often, but starting tomorrow on my website, which is youravon.com/jwoolsey, when you use the code BELOVE, and you spend $50 or more, you're going to get a free Love mascara. What? Yes, a free Love mascara. So that starts tomorrow on my website. So you're going to want to check that out for sure. Okay. So we are loving on these lashes. Okay. What do you think? Are they good? Good morning, Deborah. How are you, dear? I hope you're doing well. Okay. Let's go now with some Queen Carnation and blush and love on my cheeks just a little bit. And then this is a pretty bold color, but I just pick it up on my pad and then I pat it out. And it goes on like a watercolor. Isn't that cool? It's like painting with your paint, water paint. Just patting it on. And then we're going to add a little bit of highlight today. We're going to highlight just a little bit. I can definitely see that glow water coming through. I'm seeing the glow. Are you seeing the glow? So this is our Love highlighter. Bam, bam. Just pick it up. Just on the top of those cheekbones, just patting it out. On the nose, right here for that Kim Kardashian look. Because, you know, I got her butt. I might as well have her lips. I just don't have her waist. All right, so let's go with a birthday surprise. Let's do a birthday bomb in Birthday Post. I love this color. It is awesome. It's creamy. It's made with shea butter, so it feels great. Going on your lips. It's actually a lip crayon. just a little bit bold this morning, girl. We are fierce because we have got things to do. So let's do that finishing step. I'm so excited. This is the new Belif Glow and Mist setting spray, you guys. It's amazing. So it's going to add just a little glow to your face, but it's also going to set your makeup for all day. Are you ready? Just let it dry a little bit. I just put a couple of spritz on it. It goes on really light. Doesn't feel, it'll go on wet and then it'll dry in place. And then your makeup will be set for the whole entire day. Won't move, won't budge, won't sweat off in the Texas heat. We all need a little glow and mist in our life. So I think we are ready. What do you think? Is this a look that you could pull off? If you love these tips, please, please, please hit the share button at the bottom. Share this video. Somebody else is going to need these tips. Don't forget, if you want that free mascara, message me and I will share with you how to get it. And I love you all. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. It's a new day. Do something today for yourself. Mark something off your goal and make it happen. So have a great day. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.